By choosing old-fashioned rolled oats, you ensure that your overnight oats have a delightful consistency that holds up well after soaking overnight. Additionally, opting for quality ingredients is vital for optimal results. High-quality rolled oats not only taste better, but also offer more nutritional benefits, such as higher fiber content and essential nutrients. So when you're preparing your overnight oats, remember that the choice of oats can significantly impact your dish. Prioritizing old-fashioned rolled oats will elevate your breakfast, making it both delicious and satisfying, setting a positive tone for your day ahead. Choosing the right container can enhance both the mixing process and storage convenience. A 16-ounce mason jar is an excellent option, as it provides ample space for your oats, liquid and toppings, while allowing for easy mixing. The wide mouth of the jar makes it simple to stir your ingredients together, ensuring an even distribution of flavors. Additionally, mason jars are perfect for storage, as they are airtight, keeping your oats fresh and preventing any unwanted odors from affecting your breakfast. One of the standout features of mason jars is their screw-top lids, which offer excellent portability. This means you can easily take your overnight oats on the go, whether you're heading to work, the gym, or a picnic. While smaller jars can be used for portion control or for kids, they may present some downsides. Limited space can make mixing more challenging, and you might find yourself needing to prepare multiple jars if you want to create different flavor combinations. Overall, investing in a quality 16-ounce mason jar will streamline your overnight oats preparation and ensure a delicious, hassle-free breakfast experience. To create the perfect overnight oats, there are 5 essential ingredients that you need: rolled oats, milk, chia seeds, yogurt, and maple syrup. Rolled oats serve as the base, providing a hearty texture and a good source of fiber, which helps keep you full throughout the morning. Milk, whether dairy or plant-based, adds creaminess and moisture, allowing the oats to soak up the liquid and soften overnight. Chia seeds are a fantastic addition, as they absorb liquid and expand, contributing to a thicker, pudding-like consistency while also packing in extra nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids. Yogurt not only enhances the creaminess, but also adds a tangy flavor and probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health. Finally, maple syrup serves as a natural sweetener, elevating the overall taste of your overnight oats. It's important to note that you can experiment with different types of milk and yogurt, such as almond milk, coconut milk, or Greek yogurt, to find the combination that best suits your palate. This flexibility allows you to customize your overnight oats to your liking, making breakfast both nutritious and enjoyable. So don't hesitate to get creative with these key ingredients. Preparing a single serving of overnight oats is a straightforward process that yields a delicious and nutritious breakfast. Start by gathering your ingredients: half a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of your preferred milk, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, a quarter cup of yogurt, and a drizzle of maple syrup for sweetness. Begin by adding the rolled oats to a clean jar, followed by the chia seeds. Next, pour in the milk and yogurt, ensuring you have a good balance of liquid to oats. It's crucial to stir the mixture well at this stage to ensure that the oats absorb the liquid evenly and that the chia seeds are distributed throughout, preventing clumping. Once everything is mixed, add your maple syrup and any additional toppings you desire, such as fruits or nuts. After preparing your mixture, seal the jar with a lid and place it in the refrigerator. Allow it to chill overnight, as this will give the oats time to soak up the liquid and develop a creamy texture. In the morning, simply grab your jar and enjoy a convenient, healthy breakfast. Preparing a larger batch of overnight oats is a fantastic way to streamline your breakfast routine for the week ahead. To make 4 servings, you'll need 2 cups of rolled oats, 2 cups of your choice of milk, 4 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 cup of yogurt, and about a quarter cup of maple syrup for sweetness. Start by gathering a large mixing bowl, as this will make combining the ingredients much easier. Add the rolled oats and chia seeds to the bowl, followed by the milk and yogurt. Stir the mixture thoroughly to ensure all ingredients are well combined, allowing the oats and chia seeds to absorb the liquid evenly. Once mixed, incorporate the maple syrup, adjusting the sweetness to your preference. After everything is blended, divide the mixture into individual jars or containers, sealing them tightly. This meal prep method not only saves time during busy mornings, but also ensures you have a nutritious breakfast ready to go. By preparing multiple servings at once, you can enjoy a variety of flavors throughout the week simply by adding different toppings each day. Embrace the convenience of meal prepping and enjoy the benefits of healthy, hassle-free breakfasts. Enhancing your overnight oats with creative toppings can elevate their flavor and make breakfast more exciting. There are countless options to choose from, starting with fruits like fresh berries, strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries that add a burst of sweetness and vibrant color. Sliced bananas and diced apples also work wonderfully, providing natural sweetness and texture. For a satisfying crunch, consider adding nuts such as almonds, walnuts, or pecans, which not only enhance the flavor but also contribute healthy fats and protein. You can also sprinkle seeds like pumpkin or sunflower seeds for an extra nutrient boost. Encourage yourself to mix and match these toppings for endless variety. One day you might enjoy a berry medley, while the next could feature banana and almond butter. To keep your breakfast interesting throughout the year, consider incorporating seasonal fruits. In the summer, peaches and cherries are delightful, while fall brings the warmth of apples and pears. Winter can be brightened with citrus fruits like oranges or grapefruits. By experimenting with different combinations, you can create a unique and delicious breakfast each day, ensuring that your overnight oats never become boring. Transforming popular flavors like strawberry cheesecake and carrot cake into healthier overnight oats variations is a fantastic way to enjoy indulgent tastes while boosting nutrition. For a strawberry cheesecake version, start with rolled oats and mix in Greek yogurt for creaminess. Add fresh or frozen strawberries, a splash of vanilla extract, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. To enhance the cheesecake flavor, consider incorporating a tablespoon of low-fat cream cheese or cottage cheese. This combination not only satisfies your sweet tooth, but also packs in protein and vitamins. For a carrot cake variation, combine rolled oats with grated carrots, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a handful of raisins or chopped walnuts for added texture. You can sweeten this mix with natural sweeteners like maple syrup or agave nectar. To boost the nutritional profile, consider adding a tablespoon of chia seeds or flax seeds for healthy fats and fiber. The beauty of these variations lies in their simplicity. You can easily prepare them at home with minimal effort. By using fresh fruits and vegetables, along with natural sweeteners and healthy fats, you can enjoy delicious flavors while nourishing your body. Embrace these healthier twists and make breakfast both satisfying and nutritious. In this video, we explored the simplicity and numerous health benefits of overnight oats, making them an ideal breakfast choice for busy individuals. We highlighted how easy it is to prepare overnight oats by combining rolled oats, milk, chia seeds, yogurt, and a natural sweetener, allowing you to enjoy a nutritious meal without the morning rush. The versatility of overnight oats was emphasized, encouraging viewers to experiment with various recipes and customize their oats with different fruits, nuts, and flavors to suit their personal preferences. We also discussed healthier variations of popular flavors such as strawberry cheesecake and carrot cake, showcasing how you can incorporate fruits and vegetables for added nutrition. By using natural sweeteners and healthy fats, you can create delicious and satisfying breakfasts that nourish your body. As you embark on your overnight oats journey, we invite you to try out different combinations and make this meal your own. If you enjoyed the content and found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with friends and family. Together, we can inspire more people to embrace healthy eating habits and discover the joy of overnight oats.